talking about check bounce case, Ragini Gupta versus Piyush Dutt Sharma, Madhya Pradesh High Court judgment. In this case, court held that non-filing of IT returns does not mean no source of income. This is the finding of Madhya Pradesh High Court judgment dated 7/3/2019. In this case, trial court convicted the accused. Subsequently, appeal filed by the accused, the same was dismissed. And again, approached Honorable High Court, Madhya Pradesh High Court. Madhya Pradesh High Court also confirmed the lower court judgment. This is the conviction judgment in favor of the complainant. It is clearly shows that IT returns need not necessary to disclose the check amount. This is the finding of the Madhya Pradesh High Court judgment. Thank you, viewers. Thank you.
Hi viewers, this is a download copy of Madhya Pradesh High Court judgment. Srimati Ragini Gupta versus Piyush Dutt Sharma. Judgment dated 7/3/2019. In this case, accused filed before High Court against the judgment of both courts, district courts and magistrate court. I'll go through the findings. Now I am showing. This court is of considering opinion that mere non-filing of income tax returns would not automatically dislodge the source of income of the complainant. Non-filing of income tax is a matter between the revenue and assessee. If the assessee has not disclosed his income in the income tax returns, then the income tax department is well within its rights to reopen the assessment of income of the assessee and to take action as per the provisions of income tax returns. However, non-filing of income tax returns by itself would not mean that the complainant had no source of income and thus no adverse inference can be drawn in this regard only because of absence of income tax returns, whether there was any loan transaction between the parties or not, and whether there was any legally enforceable debt or not, is the subject matter which can be ascertained in the light of entire case led by the parties. This is the finding of this judgment. In this case, lower court imposed compensation. See this last pair of this judgment. The compensation amount of rupees 12,69,000 was awarded by trial court after adding interest at the rate of 9% from the date of issuance of check till the date of delivery of judgment by the trial court. Accordingly, it is directed that the said compensation amount shall further carry interest of rupees 9% per annum from the date of judgment of the trial court, that is 23rd January 2018, till the actual payment is made. Appeal is dismissed. So trial court as well as the first appellate court confirmed the conviction, and also High Court of Madhya Pradesh also dismissed the appeal and confirmed the lower court judgment. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. Kindly share this video and subscribe my channel.